If your blockchain looks like a maze, you're a developer lost in code. Let's untangle it with Cardano. Cardano smart contracts are powerful, but getting started is simpler than you think. First, you'll need ADA, Cardano's cryptocurrency. Use it to pay the network fee, ensuring your contract is legit. Next, create a script in your favorite language. This script will move assets to the validator script address. Then sign and submit your transaction to a Cardano node. Your assets will be securely locked in the contract. Want to develop with Plutus? Start by learning Plutus and Haskell fundamentals. Define your smart contract's purpose and logic, set up your development environment, and write your Plutus code. Finally, compile it to Plutus Core. Cardano's smart contracts are versatile. They can handle mortgages, gaming, supply chain tracking, and even legal agreements. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Cardano has the tools you need. Get coding and unlock the future with smart contracts. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.